Hey everyone! Today, we'll explore how to add a table of contents in Google Docs for a more organized document. Go to Insert. Find Table of Contents and choose Plain Text. To create such table, you will have to follow a specific format. Use Heading 1 for main headings and Heading 2 for subheadings throughout your document. As you can see here in the table, page numbers are also mentioned. The great thing is, you can customize them too. Simply click on these three dots, select Options, and choose the format that suits your preference. You have multiple options, including ones with hyperlinks and tab leaders. Subscribe to Elite IT Team for more tech tips. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy documenting!